Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting problem to discuss, one that involves a bit of mathematical thinking and a fun scenario we can all visualize: passing a pillow among a group of friends standing in a line. Let's understand the problem statement. Imagine there are n people standing in a line, labeling from 1 to n. The first person in the line is initially holding a pillow. Every second, the person holding the pillow passes it to the next person in the line. This continues until the pillow reaches the last person in the line. At this point, the direction of passing the pillow reverses and people start passing the pillow back in the opposite direction. This back and forth passing continues indefinitely. Given two positive integers and the number of people and time, the number of seconds that have passed, our task is to determine which person will be holding the pillow after time second. Let's understand with the example. Let's say n equal to 4 and time equal to 5. The sequence of passing the pillow is: first, initially the person 1 has the pillow. After 1 second, person 2 has the pillow. After 2 seconds, person 3 has the pillow. After 3 seconds, person 4 has the pillow. After 4 seconds, person 3 has the pillow again, since the direction reverse. After 5 seconds, person 2 has the pillow. So after 5 seconds, the pillow is with the person number 2. Let's understand with the code. Let's write the code. Here we written 1 plus x if x equal to time modulo n equal to 2 into n minus 2 is less than n, else n plus 1 minus x. So here we first initialize to calculate the value n, which is n into 2 into n minus 2. This represents the total number of seconds it takes for the pillow to go from the first person to the last person and back to the second person from the end. It's a full cycle of the back and forth passing. Then the next we use the modulo operation, time modulo n, to determine where we are in the current cycle of passing. This gives us a value x. Then we check the conditional. So we check if x is less than n. If it is, it means we are in the forward passing phase from person 1 to person n. We return 1 plus x, which gives the index of the person holding the pillow. If x is not less than n, it means we are in the reverse passing phase from person n back towards person 1. So we return n plus 1 minus x to get the correct index of the person holding the pillow. Let's run the code. Okay. So can also write this. Okay, it accepted. I hope this explanation helped you understand the problem and the solution clearly. If you have any question or need a further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such interesting problem and solution. Also, let's submit the code. Okay, it accepted. We complete the streak of 190 days. Thank you for watching and see you next time.